Today it's Friday, February the 2nd, 2024, and what we have here is a single phase fourth quadrant rectifier, hardware rectifier. It's RMA 23095 for GE Power Conversion India, and in this video we're going to show for different current commands that the word is working as it should in the two different polarities. So right now our output is negative, we are below the axis. Sig high, or the current command, is 2.5 from the 0 to 10 range, and we'll show here. Go ahead, Tony. So we've made the change. There's 500 milliseconds per division. And now we are on the positive output. Let's go now to, let's increase sig high. The waveform should change. And please stop at 5 or close to 5. What do you have there, Tony? 4.97, that's good. Alright, so there it is. So let's go ahead. Now we're on the positive. Let's go ahead and flip the polarity. And there it is. And of course we have taken a few oscilloscope shots that we're going to send to show the specific transition times. Let's go to 10, Tony. 10 is the maximum command. That's probably good. Alright, we have 10.02. We have 10.02. And we're going to ask Tony to go ahead and flip the polarity without changing the command. Go ahead, Tony. Okay, the change being done, and we give it a little bit of time just for the oscilloscope to catch all the data. There it is. Now we're gonna speed this up, and we're gonna take a closer look at what we have. Okay, my probe timed out, so there it is. So we have our output, we have our delay, and just make sure there it is. Go ahead, Tony, and you want to go ahead and make a change. So there we can see it better now, because now we're at 10 milliseconds per division. So that's at 10. Could you come down to about 7.5, Tony? We'll see that the waveform will not be a semi. Okay, go ahead, and there it is. Come down to 5, Tony, and we see that the area of the half sinusoidal wave is getting less and less. That's good. Go ahead. And there it is. And then just finally do 2.5 or 2 volts. You can see that the area is less. And go ahead. Alright, so in this video we've shown that the unit works for the entire range of 0 to 10 for the current command, and it works on both polarities and the transition. Again, as I pointed out, we have taken a couple of shots, oscilloscope shots, that we're going to send for 3 different values of current command. This is the end of this video.